All right, guys, welcome back. We've had a few weeks off due to some flu and other stuff that came in the way. I guess that's life. But now we're back at it. So the assembly continues. We have the main parts there now. So it's more of just putting the smaller stuff there. So yeah, it's a bit of this and that this time. So I'll try or begin with the stoppers that will come for the feed. I think I'll just put them loosely here now. So there will be two on each side. One that will be like an ending stopper, and also one if you're just wanting to make shorter passes, I'm guessing. So these will then push on these once we have the feed on in some direction, and once the table then moves, it will push these down and release the feed like so. So two there, then two on this side. And the other one like so. Then the next one is a small brass part that will actually go in this hole, and that will push the jib that we installed previously, just to tighten it down. And I think that's how you remove the play from the x-axis, let's say, from the x-axis table in the y direction. So this should come then, let's see if the gib is positioned like this, and this should come like so. Let's see if I can push it somehow correctly. Maybe I should just draw a small line on it just to see the direction. Like so. If I want it to go like this, then just make a small line with a pencil, like so, just to see that it goes in right. Makes a bit of love. Yep. Then this one. Could put some a little bit oil on that one as well, just so that it won't jam. Like so. I'll leave it a bit loose then there also. Good. Then I think we will move on to the motor for the gearbox. Put some covers on and etc. Time for the motor cover. First off, the fan cover. And I think it's these small screws that will go in like so. There went one. we have it, and then the last one. Let's see if we can get that one also. Like so. And it spins freely. Nice. Good. Then we will continue with the cover. Just remove some oil. Unfortunately, I think I'm missing one screw, but that's easy to just put on a new. I'll put in the missing one once we have it in place. Now, let's see if I have some paint. Use some edges. So now that looks a bit cleaner. Like that.
Okay, I'm also mic'd up now. So let's hope that the sound is a little bit better now from here on, since we've invested in some mics. Don't actually know what kind of brand it is.
No name brand.
Yeah, no name brand. But at least it should give a little bit better sound and more stable sound.
Mm-hmm. Yes, good. Now we have that one on. One screw missing, but we can just fill that one in then later. Good. On to the next one. Okay. Next, we'll put the oil glasses on that we got from Dynamite. So one will go on the gearbox down here, and the other one will go for the, I don't know what this compartment is called, but it's for this shaft. So just one on like so, and then the other one down here. Yep. like so. Nice. Then I think we will put the plate on for this one. Should have it nice and clean. Spindel var per minut. Ooh, looking nice.
Yeah, that one cleaned out quite well.
Yeah, looks really nice.
Yeah, I wish all the plates would look like that. Like that.
Unfortunately, we have some
Yeah, but
tape on these, but I don't know. Do you have any good tips on how to remove old
masking tape
masking tape?
and glue residuals.
Yeah.
I mean, we could use acetone or something, but maybe it's a bit too hardcore. Not sure. A little bit afraid that it will take away the text here as well.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be. Or then it's just soapy water.
Yeah, maybe. Ooh, nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
coming along quite nicely.
Okie dokie. Then have to figure out what next.
Yeah. Maybe we could put some levers on
Yeah.
or something.
Yes.
Then we have the pump, I think, or the connection for the
Yes.
return hose or
Yeah.
what it is.
So that will come from the table from here and go.
Yeah, they can't
Down
see
to
it
the
now, but
sump.
it's down there in the foot.
Yes.
Pileduttar, that's what we say here.
Yes, exactly.
Next up, I'm gonna assemble this cutting fluid filtration unit. Unfortunately, we have what is it called, a filter or some sort of, yeah, I don't really know what to call it, but well, the filtration is gone and we haven't found anything new, so we're just gonna put it like this. Not sure if we are going to use any cutting fluid with this, but maybe, who knows. So this has just been cleaned up a bit and nothing fancy. Yeah, like that. Next up, we're gonna assemble the gearbox for the spindle to the frame. We haven't painted it, but we will do that once it's on. It's a little bit easier, I think, to brush it off and then clean it thoroughly with some acetone, and then we can paint it a little bit easier. One disadvantage is to get this one aligned with the spindle later on.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
should be possible.
We'll try. See what happens.
Yeah.
And it's not that big of a job to remove it if we.
No, exactly.
I think the next step is to put these. Yeah, I don't know what they're called.
Stoppers or something.
Maybe stoppers. Put them like so, and we actually had to make new screws for those. Let's see if we can find, or if they will break or something. We will just have to make new ones, or then just buy the proper ones. But we actually machine them ourselves. So let's see if that will work out. But to my understanding, there shouldn't be that much pressure on the screws itself. It's more these parts that will, or the stoppers that will take the force from the, that goes along the shaft.
Yep.
Yes, box.
All right. Should we put it maybe? We can twist it. So it's like so. Would that be a good idea?
Yeah, I think
And
it
should be able to.
Yes, maybe we should put some oil on that one also.
Oops. More?
Maybe a bit more.
Just a little bit.
Maybe a bit more. Put on the face also. Yes. Nice.
Okay.
I'll wipe my hands off so I don't drop it. Let's see. Let's turn this one then. Like that. Yes.
Yep.
And then we have the freaking tape on that one still.
Like so. Good. Then we try again. Wow.
This will be then interesting to see if once we have everything set up and start actually milling, and then just to see if the head is, so that was where the washer was. So once we have it up and running, will be interesting to see if the actual spindle is square to the table. So it could be, I've seen some guys on the internet, they have made some small shims for this part so that this is actually 90 degrees to the table itself. So let's see, I'm guessing that we will have to remove this one. Remove this head and further along just to get it sorted and actually have it in plane. But let's start off like this and then see how it turns out.
Did you have the Allen keys?
Yes, somewhere.
Yes.
Looks more like it.
Yep. Did you adjust the torque setting in the elbow?
Now it's set.
Good. Oh, goody good.
Good.
I think we can maybe push this one against, or should it even be connected like here?
At least it wasn't when we started. So I'm not sure if this should be.
Say when it's against.
Nope. At least it lines up with it. But there wasn't any screw when we started. Because I know that this top part or head or what do you call it, it's for when you don't have the gearbox and the spindle in place. And then you just have a straight tool. For example, if you're making a groove for a keel.
Or key.
Yeah, for a key groove. Example, if you have the stock in this direction, and then you just have looks like a blade that you're running, and then it has a separate part that will go from this end. Once you have slidden forward, and then you have a support on this end, so it won't flex.
All right. Okie dokie.
Good.
Yes. There is the first coat of paint. So now let's let it dry, and then we can keep assembling the rest of the parts.
Okay, getting back to this one. So this is the screw for the y-axis, and we now notice that once we change the axle, the locking nut for this bearing housing or bearing set, it's not really aligned. So our idea is, since there's another hole, but it's not fully drilled through, know really what the reason is for that one, but our best guess is now to continue drilling that one, and hopefully that would align with the hole that's in the shaft. And if everything goes well, which we hope it will be aligned, then we can just drill all the way through and have a good hole for the locking pin. So let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Browsely.
Yes, let's try.
All right.
Here goes nothing.
Nobody remembers coward.
So how much did we miss it with? Is it even close? Quite close.
Quite close.
God damn it. Quite hard to believe.
Should we just
Yeah, continue though. Go.
drill through?
Well, now the pin is tapered. Is this the smaller end? So
Yo, that's a good question.
let's measure.
Actually, I have.
We can use any kind of.
Yeah.
We could use a spring
Yeah.
pin as well.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter.
Let's rock.
I guess he said rock, not the F-bomb. You should lift the drill a little bit. You're forcing it downwards now.
Am I?
Yeah. Hard to believe that worked.
Sometimes it works. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. I think it was a football coach or something that said it.
Sometimes maybe good and sometimes maybe not.
Then just have to find a suitable pin for that one. So now we drilled a new hole in this locking nut. And since the pin is tapered, which is normally there, I think that's a bit, we don't have a good idea. I mean, we could drill a bigger hole on the other side, but then again, we don't really know which way the hole is tapered in the shaft.
Or is it tapered?
Yeah, or is it tapered? Yeah. But we have these here at home, so we'll put just a normal
Spring pin. Yeah.
in. Yes. Tight, but I think it will set once we have it there.
Perfect.
Good. Spins free. Nice.
Nice. Okay, so to end this video, we thought it would be time to have a small walk around. I mean, the most parts are starting to be done. And we can have a look on, here we have painted the spindle and the levers. Also this gearbox. We actually got these plates cleaned out pretty well.
Yeah, those ones turned out really nice.
Yeah, and
We have one lever that goes on here, another one here, and then the 3 remaining ones will go on the feed gearbox. And I now see that we have to paint these wheels also. What else?
Yeah.
This wheel,
oh, I'm not keeping up with the camera.
this wheel,
Yeah.
both ends, and then also the y-axis wheel. This one, and then of course fill the gearboxes with oil. That's next time. Then I actually bought this one. So this is just an oil press for these, just to put in the grease or oil nipples. So hopefully that will turn out quite good. And what else? The electrical side from the motor. And then let's see how we will do it, because the previous owner had made some own adjustments on the electrical wiring. So let's see how we will do it. We'll try to make it as stock as possible.
Maybe that's a wrap for today.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Good.